Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. So Smith-Morra. I'll tell you how. I'll leave the tension now. I want him to take on C3. If I play bishop G5, does he go back with bishop E7? Is the initiative too good or something? Okay. Right now, I don't think I've got anything particularly great. I'll just take that. His bishops remains an issue though. Oh, doesn't look too hot actually. Okay, really strengthen my centre. We're just going to keep the blockade. I think he's got to sort out his bishop. Okay, I'll go on this diagonal to probe for some weaknesses. Or not. That's the case, maybe. Knight C4, Queen C1. I think I better slow down around here. This is too quick. This is all too quick. And I'm not getting too far either. A4 for Knight B5. Let's think about this for a moment. A4 for Knight B5. C3 looks vulnerable. What about 94? It's Queen B1 trying to provoke a weakness. That might be worth playing. Oh, there's 93. I mean, I should block this and then play Rook E2 and then Queen B1. Probably. There's no tactic, I think, because my rook's protecting C2. I'm hoping there's no tactic. Knight B5. Would that be desirable? Knight B5. He's thinking of a tactical knockout blow or something. Oh, Queen B4, okay. Right, I think... do I think Knight B5? I don't know. I hope it's okay. This knight on C4 is a total pain, I gotta say. Can I play B3 without being blasted? B3 around here. And Queen B1 to unpin. I really don't like this pin. This knight's such a pain. This knight takes A7, although knight takes B3. So what about Queen B1? Going back to Queen B1 now. No, that E3 isn't dropping. This gives me time for Knight A7. If I did want to play like that. Do I want to play like that? Probably. Because he's going to win my b3 pawn. Let's play knight d2. I'll lose e3 instead. Queen e1. What about queen e1 here? There's a sort of pin. I like the pins. I do like the pins, having them. Preference for pins. Where possible. Where spotted. That pin could make things difficult. I hope. Now knight b3, there's another pin, rook b1. 2 pins better than 1 sometimes. Okay. It's a tricky position indeed, huh? If the bishop drops back, there's knight b5. I'm covering c8. Wow. Is the idea bishop c4, right? Crikey. If I take, if he takes, then there's queen b4. Otherwise, isn't there rook b2 threatening rook? Yeah, isn't there just rook b2 threatening rook b3? He can hit the knight. There's still rook b3. Queen a5, rook b3. I mean, it takes. It's not so clear. Hang on, isn't there on queen a5 knight b5 out of interest? Which safeguards the knight and hits the rook again. So I think this pin's pretty good here. There's knight d2 here. Now we've got a fork. There's queen a6, then there's knight b5 after. Yeah, this is a nice fork. And then there's a simple threat on knight b5 if it plays queen a6. If he plays queen c7, there's knight b5. I think I'll just play this. And there's pieces of these. Well, these two in particular. Not all its pieces. That's an exaggeration. Yeah. He got into a mess. He got into a total mess. Puts me above 2300 this game. 2305. Back into the 2300 club of the auto pairing, the fierce auto pairing. Alright, now should I have taken? Yeah, probably. What? Oh no, that's a quick way of winning a piece. Oh, bear that in mind for future reference. Queen d3. There's a pin there, yeah. Knight takes a7, apparently better idea. Here, b3 apparently is good for some reason. Oh, winning the rook. Crikey. Rook A8 apparently it's better. Yeah, that looks juicy. This one though, a disaster. Needed to play here. Yeah, that looks fair enough. There's no major issue there. But the way he's played it, this is good. But also, apparently this. Oh, of course. Yeah. Just winning the rook, yeah. This is fine. Although this, again, is pretty good as well. It's all pretty good though, I think, here. Except the way I played it. Knight b5, knight b5. Oh, what is this about now? What is this about? Crikey. That's the exchange up. What is the matter with this? Queen takes a4 and he's holding everything. Ah. He's getting short on time, I think. Comments, questions, likes, appreciated. Thanks very much.